So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start our battle?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, agreed. Agreed. It is a battle. Eh?
What battle?
Wood battle. Oh.
World War
Yes,
III.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I had an express issue that day.
Who is this? Shrira. Okay. Okay, children, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we studied about You have one seminar, okay? I'll give the details. Not now. Don't ask me now. Okay. So, quadrilaterals, parallelogram, we have studied now. Parallelogram.
Yes, ma'am.
Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Diagonals bisect each other. Opposite angles are equal. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Do you remember all those? Eh? Okay,
Yes,
somebody
ma'am.
please tell. Please revise. Please. A quick recap. Lakshmi tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Lakshmi, will you tell the properties of parallelogram?
Yes, ma'am. Opposite sides are equal and parallel.
Reading?
Angles are equal.
Are you reading? Then. Next. Lakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, only 3 proper.
But yesterday we defined some more, no?
No, ma'am, only 3 properties you gave.
I gave, but we discussed about the opposite angles are equal and
Yes,
adjacent
ma'am.
angles are
Opposite angles are
supplementary.
Yes.
equal. Opposite
Adjacent angles
sides are equal in length.
and
And
adjacent
adjacent
angles
angles are supplementary.
supplementary. And you found angles also. You found
ma'am.
angles also, isn't
Yes.
it? So
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. Okay. So we'll start now. I was
Ma'am,
talking
so what
about
about
this
notes?
notes.
Notes.
I'll check. Today, one more period is there?
No.
No.
Okay. So let me explain this afterwards. If time is there, we'll see the notes. Or whenever there are 2 periods. I think tomorrow we have 2 periods.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So we
Tomorrow also 1 period.
tomorrow also 1 period. So tomorrow I'll check the notes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So we were telling about the angles. Angles are very important and we did this question, right? Do you remember this question?
Yes.
Yes.
100 is given. 100 is given. I'll zoom in this. Okay, 100 is given there. How will you find all the other angles? So you should remember this. How will you find X here?
Opposite
Opposite
angle.
angle.
100
Opposite
itself.
angle 100.
100 itself. And I told you to find these 2 angles I was telling. These 2 angles. What is that?
Adjacent angles are supplementary.
Supplementary.
Therefore,
And this
Z
you
is
will
equal
get
to 80.
80. And the other one, since it is a linear
100.
pair,
Linear
100.
pair.
It's
Linear
very
pair.
important. You told that you wrote only that property. Will you write this also?
Yes.
Adjacent angles of a parallelogram
Ma'am
are
wrote.
supplementary.
You wrote that.
Already you wrote.
You wrote. Lakshmi did not write.
We wrote
Lakshmi,
3 properties.
this also you have to write. Okay, Lakshmi?
Yes.
Lakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So this is 70. So what about the other angles? This also 70. This 110. 110.
110.
This is also 110. So
110.
very important. Okay. Next one. Next property. We know already diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. Now, will you write this question? I'll zoom in this. Example 6. In figure, help is a parallelogram. Since it is 4-letter word, we can give different names. Gold, help, cart, like that. Okay. Called. So, help is a parallelogram. Given that OE equal to 4. HL is 5 more than PE. Find OH. Only one is given properly there. 4. OE equal to 4. OE equal to 4. We have to find OH.
1
Okay.
minute. Let's just write
Okay, no problem. Help is a parallelogram. HELP. Help is a parallelogram. And it will intersect at the point O. Only one is given as 4. Okay. We can find all the diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. That is the property we are using. Diagonals bisect each other. That means diagonals we are dividing at an equal length. Diagonals dividing each other at an equal length, same length. Okay. So children, what will you get if OE equal to 4? OE equal to 4. What is OP? If
OP
OE
also
equal
4.
which property we will use here?
The diagonals
Diagonals
of a
bisect
parallelogram
each other.
Bisect each other.
Diagonals bisect each other. So this it will be totally, it will be 8. And when we draw the other diagonal, it will become 4 and 4. Okay. Okay, children. Now we have to find OH. OH, this one we have to find. For that, if we are finding full length HL, we are finding this HL, other diagonals full length, it will be C. Okay, how will you find this diagonal fully? Any clue is there? Just check the question. Any clue is there?
breadth is equal to 8 centimeters.
One second. OE equal to 4. We have to, what this we have to find. OH we have to find, right? OH, this one, OH. For that full diagonal we can find, and when you divide by 2, you will get the answer. Okay? Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Something is given here. HL is 5 more than PE. HL, that means this long diagonal is 5 more than PE. What is PE here? PE?
8. 8
PE
into 5,
means
40.
this diagonal,
8.
PE, the other short diagonal. That is 8. How did you get 8? Because this is 4 and this is 4, so totally it is 8. Okay, and it is given that HL is 5 more than 8. So it will be 8 plus 5. HL is 8 plus 5 equal to 13. And when you divide by 2, you will get each OH and OL. So OH equal to 13 divided by 2 equal to 6.5. Okay, children, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You want me to explain it once again?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one second. Okay. See, when we read the question, you will understand that there is a parallelogram. Okay. Parallelogram, one diagonal is a long one. And nothing is given in that. Nothing is given. Its name is HL. And midpoint is given as O. Through the midpoint, another diagonal is passing. And its one portion is given. One portion is given as 4. So what about the other part? That also 4. Why? Because it bisects. Okay. So total that PE, totally that PE, long diagonal will be 4 plus 4 equal to 8, right? 8 centimeter. Okay, children?
Yes.
Now, again it is given the other diagonal, no, the long diagonal that is HL. This this one is 8. The other diagonal, the long diagonal HL is 5 more than PE. So HL is 5 more than PE. PE is 8. So it is 13. And we have to find this part. That is correct half. That is 13 by 2 equal to 6.5. Now, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody asked me to explain it again. Is it Hessa?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we'll move to the exercise. See, children, here, can you
1
see
minute.
some...
Can we write it?
1 second, sorry. Yes. This is solution.
Now completed.
Solution. That y means, you know, y. What is diagonals bisect each other? Reason.
I'm done.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, consider the following parallelograms. Did you see those parallelograms?
Yes.
We have to find x, y, z. Is it easy?
Yes.
Will you find?
Y is equal to 100.
Y equal
Y
to
is
100.
equal to 100. C is equal to
X is equal to
80
80
not talking
and Z
anything.
is equal
Gauri
to
Shankari
80.
not talking anything.
X is equal to 80 and Z is equal to 80.
Gauri, please tell the answers.
Ma'am, which Gauri?
Question number 1. Which
Shankari.
Gauri Shankari?
Ma'am, which?
Shankari.
Please. Sorry. Network problem. Okay, no problem. Parvati tell the answer. Parvati Menon.
Yes, ma'am. My first question,
First question.
y is equal to 100.
Ah.
Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite side, opposite angle.
Opposite angles.
Then z is equal to 80 degree.
Reason?
Adjacent angles are sum up to 180
Supplementary.
degree.
Then
And x is equal to 80 degree.
80 itself because opposite angles are
equal.
same. Okay, equal. Now, this will you do as a homework? This also will you do as a homework?
Ma'am.
Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There is
Ma'am,
a
first
similar
and second
question.
one, right?
First and second. Then this
Ma'am, you
also.
send
This
it.
also. Yes.
Ma'am, can you send?
You send in the WhatsApp.
This homework. Yes. I'll send in the WhatsApp. I'll send.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This 1, 2, 4. This 3 and 5. We can now we can do. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes.
So and those are this 3 and 5 we will explain after doing these 3 as a homework. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, so
we
you
will
taking that next class?
next class I will take, because after doing that homework I'll teach these 3. These 2 can you see some speciality?
Yes.
So before teaching that, I
Yes.
should explain these angles also. Here some parallelograms and angles will come in this 5th question. Okay. So before taking that, I should explain that. After only you will understand that. Okay, children. So these 3 you do as a homework. This, and this after explanation. I'll do in the class. Okay, now we look at this figure, children. This eighth figure, I'll move the board and zoom in so that you can understand. 1 second. This eighth question, just check.
Now should I read the question?
1 second. Let me explain this. See, eighth question is the following figures, guns and runs are parallelograms. Find x and y. This is the question. Guns and runs. Can you see guns and runs there?
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
us take
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one first. Okay. Here, can you see the sides are given? Sides. So sides are given. Parallelograms and its sides. What can you tell about parallelogram and its sides?
Opposite sides are equal.
Equal.
and
Opposite sides
parallel.
are equal. Okay, correct. Opposite sides are equal. Now, what are the opposite sides here?
20
20.
SN and GU.
Yes. Here
SG
3x
and
and
NU.
18 are equal. One is given with variable and other is with number. But you know that the 3x and 18 are equal, right?
Yes.
Yes.
That means this 3x is equal to 18. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the question?
3x is equal to 6.
We have to find x and y. So what
X
is
is
x?
equal to 6.
How
6.
did you get 18 by 3 equal
18
to?
into
6.
Okay. 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. So we got x by equating the opposite sides. It's a very easy property that the opposite sides are equal. So when we equate the opposite sides,
y
opposite side, you will get x. Now can we do it in the similar way to find
Yes.
y
Yes,
Y is
ma'am.
equal
Yes.
to
y
9.
9 y 9.
Y is equal to 9.
Will you
9.
find
3 into
3y?
9 27 minus 1 26.
3y minus 1 equal to
Ma'am,
26
26 plus 1 divided by
26 plus
3.
1.
plus 1. So 3y equal to 26 plus 1 equal to 27.
By 3.
Divided by
Y
3.
equal to
Y is equal to
27
27 by 3.
divided by 3.
27.
Divided
9.
To 9. So
9.
we found x and y. Okay, children, shall we write that?
Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Ma'am,
another
can we write
property.
the
Yes.
question?
Yes. The following figures, guns and runs are parallelogram. Find x and y. So these are related to sides.
When this answer can you show?
I will write. Right, solution. Can you see the board? Solution.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
First one, solution. Since opposite sides are equal.
Ma'am, we should write as first question.
Yes, opposite. After drawing the figure, you can write this answer.
Ma'am, what is the first word after solution?
Since. Ayan? You understood, Ayan? Baja?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, completed.
Ah.
I'm finished.
Okay, if you finish that, we can move to the second one. Same,
Okay, ma'am.
same property. Diagonals bisect each other. Sorry, not same property. Another property. Diagonals bisect each other. Shall I rub this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Now this second one, which property? Now since it is bisected, you can see the diagonals are intersected, cutting, two cuttings. So you have to remember that the property used here is diagonals bisect each other. Okay, that means see children, it is given here. This as 20. So what do you mean by this? If this part is 20. What
Why
about
The
the
plus
other
part is
part?
also 20.
Bisect.
20.
They
So,
bisect each other.
okay, okay. If this is 20, the other part is also 20. Okay. So that we have to write. We have to mention that since diagonals bisect each other, I'll write the answer properly. This y plus 7 and it will be equal to 20 itself. Y
And
plus
13.
7.
Y is equal to 13.
y is equal to 13.
13. So y plus 7 equal to 20 itself. So y equal to 20 minus 7 equal to 13. 30 centimeter. Right, children? Now, again here one more diagonal is there. That
X
also
plus
16
y,
and 16. Yes.
13 plus 3.
This x plus y
is
is
equal to
also
3.
16. Okay. So x plus y is also 16. Since the other two parts are same. So y is 13. So x plus 13 equal to 16. X equal to 16
3.
minus 13 equal to 3. 3. Okay. Now write the second one. I'll write the solution here. Second one. Since the diagonals bisect each other, y plus 7 equal to 20. So y equal to 20 minus 7 equal to 13 centimeter. X plus y equal to 16. Substitute instead of y 13 itself equal to 16. So x equal to 60 minus 13 equal to 3.
I'm done.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Not finished.
Okay. So will you do this fifth question? Fifth question. Read the question carefully. Don't tell the answer now. Read it and do it. It is the question is about adjacent angles of the parallelogram. We know the property, adjacent angles of a parallelogram. We already know the property. Okay, do it. By the time, let me take the attendance. Think about it. Okay, don't tell the answer loudly. When you get it, you tell me. Very easy question it is. Very easy.
Ma'am, can we write the question?
Yeah, write the question and find out the answer in the notebook itself.
Okay, ma'am.
It was about adjacent angles. Okay, adjacent angles, you know. We already explained about adjacent angles. No need of worry. You will get the answer now itself.
Ma'am, I got the answer. I'm just
Yes,
writing
yes,
the question.
yes, yes. Think about it. What is adjacent angle? Rudra came, Rudra.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, all are present. 42 are there.
All are present. 1 second.
No, one participant is ma'am.
No, one is on leave. You have your strength is 42.
Ma'am,
42 or 43.
yes. Then one of the participant is you.
That I know. That I know. That I know. That I know. One is on leave today. Tanmay came.
Yes, ma'am.
Shifana. Shifana is absent.
Yes.
Shifana came.
Present.
No, ma'am, I'm present.
Shifana
Yes,
is.
ma'am.
Prajita present. Parthiv. Parthiv.
Present. Present.
Lakshmi present. Nelvin present. Malavika KK. Milan K Jain. Milan. Milan.
Milan is absent. Ma'am.
Milan is absent. Correct. Milan is absent. Only Milan. Other all present. Okay. Now, did you get the answer, children?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, what are adjacent
Hun-
angles? What is the property of adjacent angles?
They are supplementary.
They are
Adjacent
supplementary. That
angles.
means when you add those angles, you will get 180 degree, right?
180 degree.
Yes.
When you
Yes.
add those two angles. So, whenever you think about ratio, when you meet ratios, what will you do? I already told, no, when you see
3
ratio.
plus 2.
3
plus
plus
2
2 is equal to
5.
180. That is 5x.
5x. So
5x is equal
to convert ratio into the normal number, you can write like this. Angles measure, you write along with, attach x with them.
3x plus
3x and 2x.
3x
And
plus 2x.
and you know when you add both the angles, you will get 180 degree because adjacent angles are supplementary. Write the reason also. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Supplementary means when you add, you will get 180 degree. Adjacent angles are supplementary. And 5x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 by how? 5. How much it is?
36.
36, correct. 36 degree. This is not our answer. This is not our answer. Our answer is
6 into
first,
36.
Is equal
first angle
to
equal to
equal to
3 into
R
36,
is equal to angle 3.
108.
108.
And second angle is
72.
either you can subtract from 180 or you just multiply like this. Both you can do. Okay. You can subtract from 180, you will get the remainder will be 72. Either you subtract from 180 or you do like this. So normal case, we are doing the same questions. Then this sixth question also a homework, I'll send it. Sixth question also. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are equal measure. Very easy. Equal measure. I'll send the homework. Only the easy questions I'll send. Now remaining we will discuss in the next class. Okay? So shall I wind up now? It is 3 o'clock, no? Till
Yes,
3 o'clock we have
ma'am.
class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So hope you understood this. Okay. We will
Yes, ma'am.
continue. Bye, children.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.